Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scribble, EO on mobile. First, open your mobile device's web browser, such as Chrome or Safari, and type Scribble, EO into the address bar. Once the website loads, you'll see a field to enter your username. Type in a fun name, perhaps something like Artistic Genius or Quick Drawer. Then, select your preferred language from the available options, which include over 20 different choices. This ensures you play with others who speak your language. After setting your username and language, you have two main options. You can tap the play button to immediately join a public game with random players from around the world. This is great for quick fun. Alternatively, if you want to play with friends, select Create Private Room. The game will then generate a unique link. Copy this link and share it with your friends through messaging apps or social media. Up to 12 players can join a private room. Once the game begins, the fun truly starts. If it's your turn to draw, you'll be presented with 3 word options. Pick the one you feel most confident drawing. Then, use the on-screen drawing tools, including various colors and brush sizes, to illustrate your word within a 90-second time limit. If you are guessing, watch the drawing carefully and type your guesses into the chat box. Correct guesses earn you points, and the faster you guess, the more points you receive. Points are awarded for both drawing and guessing. When you guess correctly, you earn points, and the person who drew the word also gets points. The quicker you guess, the more points you accumulate. A typical game lasts for 3 rounds, with each player getting a chance to draw at least once. At the end of all rounds, the player who has accumulated the highest total score is declared the winner. It's all about creativity and quick thinking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.